Heavy Rain crafts a tense tapestry of choice as four protagonists navigate a creeping mystery around the origami killer. Ethan Mars, Norman Jayden, Madison Page, and Scott Shelby offer distinct moral lenses, shaping risks and emotional costs. The plot twists hinge on consequences, forcing players to weigh sacrifice against survival at every crucial juncture. Themes of parental responsibility, memory, and manipulation fuse with noir visuals to elevate interactive storytelling and ethical dilemmas under pressure. By weaving fate and agency, Heavy Rain shows decisions rewriting narrative meaning beyond a single scene.